My name's Susan West. I live here in Rio Vista with my canine companion, Graham. I've been here 7 years. If it wasn't for Clay, I probably wouldn't be able to get here. The builder's loan agent said I had the loan. I had outstanding credit, no car payment, no nothing, and great credit rating. But I did have a student loan, and she said, oh yes, you have the loan. And a week later, she called me and said, oh, we can't get you the loan because of your student loan. And I got a little upset. You know, and I'd spent a lot of money on my place that I was putting on the market, and you know, what was I going to do, basically? My realtor told me about Signet Mortgage, and we went to see Clay and Sandy, and he worked out the program. At first, I was a little leery. The apprehension came from just things I had heard, you know, from people saying, oh, reverse mortgages are just a ripoff. Great part is I don't have a house payment. And if I had to pay $1,300, $1,400 a month or $2,000 a month, I couldn't be here because I am retired. I taught many years and didn't have the greatest retirement program because that's what the school did to us. And professionally, also as a chiropractor, I was very honest and didn't want to get into the personal injury kind of thing, so I didn't make a boatload of money. And the reverse mortgage has given me the opportunity to be in a nice neighborhood, and I can live a decent life without scrounging every month to pay for groceries or something like that. I can comfortably make the tax payments that come up, and I have a pretty decent life. And without it, I wouldn't. I'd be struggling every month and probably living in an area I didn't want to have to live in. I always tell people, that you can trust him. He's just a really honest guy, and he did this for me, and he takes an interest in the client. It's not just a way to make a buck, and that's kind of how I ran my practice. It's not always about the money. It's a life well lived. You did something during your lifetime to help other people. Anyway, I felt very comfortable doing business with him, and thanks to him, I was able to get into my home.